This 66 Rambler American is the only one left from the Bell telephone fleet. Came with the equipment below. That is wild. 1A signaling test set from Western Electric. 6-cylinder, manual transmission, manual steering, vacuum wipers. Yes, 68. This is Rambler, folks. That is wild. It was bought in 1966 on Union Deposit, PA. I'll show you the photo. This is all original. I'm surprised it has a radio. Pretty cool. What I love seeing is the unusual stuff like this. There it is. That's the original dealership, Union Deposit. Let's keep going. Love the Tornado. This is a 66. These are just absolutely beautiful. 425, 385 horsepower, 475 pound-feet. Wow. Of course, 3-speed automatic, front-wheel drive. With the barrel speedometer. Look how roomy it is in here. Very nice. Little Continental drop top. This is earlier. I love that grille. Let's keep going on some of the stuff here. I jumped a lot of the 60s, really didn't get in. Little Le Mans convertible with the overhead cam 6, manual transmission, manual steering. DeLorean did a good one on here. Very nice. It's nice that it survived. 3-speed on the floor. You know, something a little bit different, yet a little bit the same. I like it. 66 T-Bird, one of my favorite years. T-Bird, you always have to have a few favorite years. 390 under the hood. I just love the lines. This was the last year of this particular body style.